New construction is reshaping the map in Southwest Florida, and in this video, we're going over the communities you actually need to know about if you're planning to move here in 2025. Hey, I'm Rick Harrison, an award-winning relocation specialist, contractor, and expert here in the Southwest Florida market, and my team has helped hundreds make a smart move here, and I'm here to help you do the same. Today, I'm walking you through everything you need to know, price points, build stages, upcoming amenities, and which communities might be the best fit for your goals. Let's start with the biggest one, the kind of master plan community that's reshaping an entire side of Southwest Florida, Babcock Ranch. Babcock Ranch is being developed by Kitson and Partners with homes from Lennar, Pulte, D.R. Horton, Toll Brothers, Meritage, and others. It's located inland, northeast of Fort Myers off Route 31, so it's an ideal location for those who don't want to have to worry about evacuating or flooding from hurricanes. When my family had to evacuate from our Riverside home for the last storm, we went to Babcock Ranch, and it's where many evacuate to if they can. It's also an interesting location in that it splits Lee and Charlotte County, so some properties fall under Lee County taxes, some fall under Charlotte, and some you actually get to choose. Townhomes start in the low to mid 200,000 range, and single family homes from the mid 300,000s up to well over $1 million. Styles include ranch, contemporary, and estate homes with solar and smart home features in most builds. What's built versus coming soon? Currently there's over 2,000 plus homes, charter schools, parks, and restaurants in Founders Square, which is essentially downtown, and those are already active. They just recently broke ground on around 3 million square feet of commercial space, including a major expansion at Founders Square of 1 million feet and another 2 million square foot center near Midtown that will include more retail, dining, and thousands of additional homes. Route 31, which has been a complaint for a while, will also be getting expanded to a 4-lane road. With over 20 distinct neighborhoods, there's something for everyone, from luxurious amenities, championship golf, to even aquatic-themed communities like Tucker Cove's Lazy River. Babcock Ranch offers over 50 miles of nature trails, multiple community lakes with kayak access, smart grid and solar infrastructure, new medical and wellness centers like Lee Health and Tampa General, which will be coming soon, and it's the ideal place for families, eco-conscious buyers, remote professionals, and retirees who want long-term value, sustainability, and lifestyle built in. One of my favorite parts about this community is how active and social it is, with planned events almost every week throughout the year. But I want to be clear here, this isn't just a neighborhood, it's becoming its own town. Think of it like the Villages before it got as big and crowded as it is now. This community will have over 25,000 doors when it's done, but we're still in the early phases, so pricing still favors early movers. Long-term growth potential here is huge. Now, if you're looking for something that's available right now and moving fast, this next one should be on your radar. River Creek, built by GL Homes. Homes start from the 600,000s, offering spacious floor plans ranging from approximately 1,900 square feet to over 4,300 square feet. Notably, the Cascade model is priced at an exceptional $191 per square foot, providing substantial value in the Estero market. It's also one of the most unique communities in the county due to its modern woodland-like elevations and interior designs. If you like natural wood tones and on-trend elegance, these floor plans will amaze you. River Creek boasts a 12,000 square foot clubhouse featuring a resort-style pool, fitness center with indoor sports complex, tennis, pickleball, basketball courts, splash park and shaded playground, and an event room with catering kitchen and outdoor fire pit. The community is strategically located off Corkscrew Road, which is an up-and-coming area with lots of new construction and an area I see having a great long-term return on investment because it also provides easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment options, and the homes being built around there are some of the nicest in the region. As a developing community, some amenities and homes are still under construction. Prospective buyers should verify the completion timelines for specific features and be prepared for ongoing development in certain areas. River Creek is ideal for families and active adults seeking a resort-style living experience with a variety of recreational amenities, all within a gated community setting. Take advantage of early move-in incentives, including up to $10,000 in free options and $7,500 towards closing costs when using GL Financial and Nova Title Services. Early buyers can lock in favorable pricing before the community is fully built out. This next one might not be getting all the buzz yet, but it has some serious long-term potential. Ibis Landing, built by Lennar. You'll find 3-bedroom homes in the upper $200,000 range, offering more square footage than many nearby options, plus upgraded features like tile roofs, smart home packages, and impact windows included as standard. It's a golf-focused lifestyle community with an 18-hole Gordon Lewis designed championship course already complete and an amenity center under construction, featuring a resort-style pool, fitness center, pickleball and tennis courts, as well as a clubhouse and restaurant. And my favorite part is that the HOA fees, which include internet, lawn maintenance, gated access, as well as access to the pool, courts, and your membership to the golf club, are only $460 a month. You'll be hard pressed to find that low of a fee in communities that offer half as much. The Daniels Parkway corridor's ongoing growth means more retail, dining, and services are expected nearby, creating a more connected lifestyle over time. Some of the drawbacks to this community include that it's still in its early stages, so some areas are still under construction. There are limited amenities on site right now, though the clubhouse is in progress, and you'll have slightly longer drives, around 30 to 40 minutes to Fort Myers beaches, but easy access to I-75 for commuting. This community is perfect for buyers who love golf but don't want to pay premium prices in fully built out communities, or long-term investors who see the upside in the Lehigh Acres corridor that's catching attention for its affordability and location. Don't sleep on Ibis Landing just because it's still developing. Golf communities like this often see major value jumps as amenities come online. Plus, Lennar's pricing tends to rise quickly once demand catches on, so acting early could mean locking in a better deal now while there's still inventory available. When I spoke with the builder's rep a couple weeks ago, he said they sold 60 homes in 1 month, so things are definitely moving here. Of course, not every community that gets announced is moving forward. Here are a few that have stalled or been delayed. Timber Creek in Fort Myers by Lennar. There were high hopes for this community, with Lennar promising a resort-style community with pools, clubhouse, sports courts, and lush landscaping. Now, some amenities are done, but homes have major quality issues. Leaks, shoddy finishes, and delayed punch lists. Part of it stemmed from supply chain and labor issues, but it also seems like Lennar has been rushing sales and prioritizing other projects. Don't get me wrong, it's still in a great location, but you can expect ongoing construction, repairs, and a battle for warranty service. Make sure you hire an inspector before you buy. The common regret from residents over these delays and quality issues has been, I wish I knew this before buying. Another community I thought was gonna be a star in the area is Corkscrew Estates, which is a Pulte Homes. Now, I love Pulte Homes and was really surprised to hear that they had issues that happened to this community, but essentially Pulte promised residents upscale single-family homes in a peaceful, gated community with scenic surroundings, quality construction, and modern designs. And they also positioned it as an exclusive, higher-end neighborhood in Estero. Their homes delivered as they usually do, but the community had major issues with drainage, flooding, and road damage. Yards flood, streets are torn up, and residents face ongoing construction to fix stormwater failures. Some buyers paid over $1 million and still deal with flooding and construction noise. Poorly designed drainage systems cause widespread problems requiring rework long after homeowners moved in. So unfortunately, as of now, these are pricey homes in a desirable location, but with serious infrastructure issues that have undermined the promised lifestyle. If you're considering Corkscrew Estates, ensure all drainage and road work is fully completed before closing, and be ready for ongoing construction disruptions. If you're looking for something a little more unique, here are a couple smaller builds that might be exactly what you're after. First up, Brightwater. This community offers a 6-acre crystal lagoon with white sand beaches, paddleboarding, and resort-style amenities. It's perfect for retirees, families, and second home buyers seeking an affordable coastal lifestyle inland. The Crystal Lagoon is a major draw, but some buyers report construction delays and unfinished amenities, so be sure to confirm delivery timeline. Next development is the Place at Corkscrew. This community offers stylish homes with upscale finishes, a massive resort pool with a water slide, full-service restaurant, coffee shop, and fitness center. It's perfect for families and professionals who want amenities-first living in a gated setting. While it's not technically a boutique builder, the lifestyle here is so curated and high-end it often feels like a private club, especially for the price point. These communities aren't just homes being built. They're shaping how Southwest Florida grows, how traffic shifts, how schools get zoned, and where long-term value is headed. If you're overwhelmed by builder options, pricing games, or wait lists, you're not alone. New construction is exciting, but it can get confusing fast. That's why it helps to have someone on your side who knows the process, tracks the market, and can guide you to the right fit while protecting your interests, not the builders. Call or text me at the number below. I'll walk you through the best opportunities based on your goals and budget, and make sure you avoid the common mistakes that cost people thousands. And if you're thinking new construction might be the way to go, which I definitely have to agree with you on, don't start searching until you watch my masterclass on buying new construction in Southwest Florida. There are a ton of nuances and pitfalls when buying new down here that can cost you tens of thousands of dollars, and unfortunately, most people find out about them too late. That video is coming up next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and until then, stay safe, stay positive, and more importantly, stay free.